Good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss the quarter 4, Science 8, week 1. This is the day 1 about acceleration, introduction to acceleration. Objectives: define acceleration in simple terms. Appreciate how acceleration affects real-life motion and differentiate uniform and non-uniform acceleration. For activity, let us answer these questions. Number 1, rate of change in velocity. Okay, that is 0 plus 1 is equals to A. That is the first letter in the alphabet, number 1. So, A stands for acceleration. And number 2, acceleration with constant change. Okay, that is uniform acceleration. Acceleration with irregular change, non-uniform acceleration. Okay, negative acceleration. Okay, that is deceleration. A vector quantity that changes. Okay, that is velocity. A car speeding up. That is positive acceleration. Okay, the time it takes for acceleration to occur. Okay, elapsed time. Okay, the term for velocity increasing at a steady rate. Okay, constant acceleration. A graph showing velocity against time. Okay, velocity time graph. And a movement that changes both speed and direction. Accelerated motion. A tricycle is moving along the road. At first, it moves slowly because of traffic. When the road clears, the driver speeds up. Approaching a curve, the driver slows down. Okay, for questions about this, okay, which part of the story showed acceleration? Okay, the explanation, speeding up and slowing down both show acceleration because acceleration is any change in velocity. So, pag sinabi pala natin acceleration, kapag bumilis, nagdagdag ng bilis or bumagal, that is acceleration. Kasi kapag sinabi acceleration, any change in velocity. Kapag sinabi naman pong velocity, this is the speed with direction. This is not only speed, but it includes direction. That is velocity. Okay, another one. Does acceleration only mean moving faster? The answer is no, because acceleration includes slowing down or negative acceleration and changing direction. What is acceleration? A vector quantity. Pag sinabi nating vector quantity, it has magnitude and direction. Kapag sinabi po nating magnitude, for example, yung sa speed, 3 km per hour, that is magnitude. Kapag nilagay mo ng to the north, that is the direction. That is what we call as vector quantity. It has magnitude and direction. Okay, the rate of change of velocity, the speed plus direction. Since grade 8 focuses on a straight line mode, velocity changes refer to speed changes. Ayun. Para malinaw pa ha, yung speed is scalar quantity, velocity is a vector quantity. Para makita natin yung pagkakaba ng speed and velocity, pag sinabing speed, bawa 3 meter per second, yun lang bilis niya. Kapag nilagay mo na po yun ng direction, that is velocity. About 3 meter per second to the north, that is velocity. Okay, the formula for acceleration is equals to final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time. So, kapag yung final is mas mataas kumpara dun sa initial, may meaning bumilis, that is positive acceleration. So, acceleration is the A, and then V sub F is final velocity, and V sub I is initial velocity, and T is time interval during which the change in velocity occurs. So, this formula tells us how quickly the velocity of an object changes over time. When is an object accelerating? That is question. Speed changes, or bumagal man yan o bumilis, nag-accelerate yan. Direction change. So, hindi man nagbago ng speed, constant speed, pero nagbabago ng direction, halimbawa sa mga curve. That is also accelerating. Okay, both speed and direction change. So, ito yung mga example ng mga nagkakaroon ng acceleration. A car gaining speed on a highway. Okay, an apple falling from a tree. Kasi habang bumabagsak yan, papabilis ng papabilis. Okay, a runner starting a race. A roller coaster dropping. Okay, uniform acceleration. Velocity changes by the same amount every second. So, yung halimbawa, nadadagdagan siya ng every second ay 2 meter. Ng 2 meter ang nadadagdag, that is uniform acceleration. Example, a car is steadily increasing speed by 2 meter per second every second. Okay, non-uniform acceleration. Ang isang example po lang ng uniform acceleration, yung acceleration due to gravity. Kasi ang constant niya is 9.8 meter per second. squared. Okay, non-uniform acceleration, velocity changes unevenly. Ano yung sasakyan, bumabagal, bumibilis, that is non-uniform acceleration. A car driving through traffic. Conclusion, acceleration is not just speeding up. It includes slowing down and changing direction. It describes how fast velocity changes and helps us understand many motions we experience daily. Okay, let us answer these questions.